Good morning, everyone.
Morning, guys.
So we're doing a little quick video here, another dueling routers. We've got the template of the month for July, which I think is really cool. Vicky found this one, and I love the way it looks. I think it's going to look really neat carved, which would, this kind of template would add a lot to anything that is kind of outside, outdoor motif fishing goes. I just think it's really cool. So Ryan's going to do it outset.
Outset, yeah.
I'm going to do it inset. And now this is another one of those templates.
Okay.
This is another one of those templates that's two pieces because the fishing pole, the way it is so fragile. So what I would suggest is to keep the inside piece. I'm sorry, babe. If you can keep the inside piece inside of this, throw a piece of tape across there, it's going to protect it from getting broken, which it's pretty thin line there. So anyway, stick with us. We'll come back and we'll be carving. Hold on. All right, guys, I've got the profile bit in. I'm going to carve again. I'm carving inset. I got the profile bit in. I may be having to lift the base a little bit here and there. I've got it set at about 1/8 of an inch, something like that. So let's get going.
And I have got the profile. I've got the carving liner in, and there's not a whole lot I have to do with the carving liner. There's just some real fine little detail. I'll probably start off going around the fishing pole with it, and then Dad and I are going to switch because I'll only need the 90 degree when I make my big line around. So here we go. So I got the basic outline. I'm going to go back with the profile once Dad's done and just clean the fishing pole line up. I got a knot right here, so I'm going to have to clean that up with the profile, but I got to wait for Dad. Weird. All right, we'll be back.
Okay, so what I'm going to try and do is I've done all of my fine lines. Now I'm going to go back deeper and give myself some relief around here, so when I go back with my 60 or my 90, it won't take me as close to the edge, so I'm less likely to nick the edge. But my biggest goal here is to delay as much as possible to keep my son waiting. That just that is joy to my life.
Oh, you're pretty good at it.
Here we go. All right, we'll give the profile bit back to my son, and then we'll come back and I'll take the rest of this stuff out.
All right, guys, time to clean up this fishing pole a little bit, go around and get this profile done. Let's do it. Now I just got the 90 to do, and we'll be wrapped up, but I think Dad's got the 90.
I do.
Yeah.
You can wait.
I am getting pretty good at it.
All right. So I didn't say before, but I got this set at about a little over, just a touch over 3/16. But that's about what I need. I could have used the 60 there, but I had enough room to get in there and use the 90. All right, back to Ryan.
All right, so I'm just going to put a fat line around this thing just to make it pop a little bit more. So let's go. Alright, now we just gotta brush it off and spray it, and when we come back we'll sand it off and you'll see it.
All right, so let's get these things sanded off. I'll do mine first. But one thing I wanted to go over, in case you guys are brand new, this is what we're using for black spray. It's just a black primer. This is kind of the automotive version. I think they're identical as far as I can tell. There's no difference between the two of them. So if you can't find this, go to like an automotive parts store or even Walmart in the automotive section, and you'll probably be able to find this stuff. Anyway, this is what we use. You can also use the Marsh spray black stencil ink, but we use this pretty much primarily lately. So anyway, just wanted to go over that. Now these pieces are so small that if I tried to sand these off just on my rubber mat, they probably would float around on me. So I'm just going to use my sanding board. Here we go. So that was a 60 grit with the disc sander, now 120 with the random orbital. All right, let's check it out.
Yeah, that looks nice.
I like it. All right. Bless you. All right, here comes Ryan.
Yeah, that looks all right. I think I like the inset better.
All right, so I'll come around there. Let's take a look. Yeah, we got it. Remember too, guys, these are just samples. When you guys see us carving a lot of this, we're not doing edges because these are just scrap pieces, samples. We would suggest if you're going to be carving these on a sign, you want to do some kind of a nice edge, whether it's a chamfer or scallop or, you know, rustic edge, whatever. So, yeah, I agree. I think I like the inset better.
Yeah, I think the inset looks nicer.
In most cases, these small templates do look better as a more of a silhouette, the inset. So, and I think my board carved a little easier than yours. I think
My board carved like concrete, man. Good Lord.
My board was like butter.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's how
Anyway.
it goes.
Yeah.
And don't forget, guys, this is the July template of the month, but you can get this even if you're not a premium or executive member that gets these for free every month. You can still buy them on the website up here, plus all our other sign carving supplies.
Yeah, yeah. So they're just $3.50 a piece, and the cool thing is you can use them over and over and over. So they'll be on the website by the time you guys see this video. So I guess that is about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We so appreciate you, and hope you guys are doing well. If you have questions, please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com, or
Ryan with Dave Signs at gmail.com. And yeah, I think that's it.
see how he was waiting while I talked?
I was.
It's just a natural thing. Huh? Yeah.
It's pretty normal.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks so much. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.